Hello TGC community, this is Fighting Shadow. I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a ship type to my space engine. Since I'm low on time for uploading this video, I will keep this short. Let's scroll down a little bit and take a look at the globals I defined. Around line 27 are where I start. It's mouse position, camera position. I pretty much commented most of this pretty well. What I want you to pay attention to is around line 56 and past that. You'll see mObject. This means map object. These are all the basic variables for altering anything you shove into the engine. Right now we're going to use mObject itself, which is the object number, and mObject Y for the AI. So let's get started on adding a type of ship. Let's scroll down to where the constants are. This is around line 160. We're just going to add a new type of AI. So below AI type patrol F circle, let's add AI type tutorial for the purpose of the tutorial. So type tutorial, give it a number. It doesn't matter what number it is as long as the number is different from the other numbers. Below it is for deciding which model is going to be used. We're just going to use a model that's already there. I'm going to choose the space station so we don't have to worry about making a new model right now. Okay, to keep this quick, let's scroll down to the main loop, which is just a little bit farther down. You can see that do AI is what is going to be called for every ship. Let's double click that on the right hand side right now. As you can tell, based on what AI type it has, it does a different type of AI. So let's copy and paste one and modify a couple things to make sure that it has the tutorial AI in it. So if AI type is tutorial, then let's define a new function for doing the tutorial AI. And so let's keep the naming convention simple and call it do_AI_tutorial. So you can see I use mObject number, which is map object number, passed to the new AI function, which I call it ship number in the AI function so that I always know what I'm doing. So let's scroll down to do AI patrol left circle because it's a real simple one to copy and paste. Let's change the name to do_AI_tutorial. As you can tell, my mouse double clicks a lot without me wanting it to. Okay, so let's delete everything inside of it. And what I want to do for this tutorial is simply have the ship move straight up. So for that to happen, we have to modify the Y value. And as I explained earlier, that is in mObject Y. And I'm going to be easy right now and just use the increment operator. After that, call position object. And object number is mObject itself. And then XYZ is mObject XYZ respectively. So let's copy this, add a comma, paste mObject X, copy and paste and add a Y. And same thing with a Z. So as you can tell, this increases the Y value and then positions the object respectively. This should be all we need to do. So let's add a create ship function. Since the function's already defined, let's go back up to where main is. This is close to line number 200. Yes, right above the do background code. So you can double click do background to get up to the main loop. You scroll up a little bit more, you'll find my create ships. There's a bunch of them already defined. Let's copy and paste one of them. And all we need to do is change the AI type tutorial. Also, let's make the ship type the station. That way it's easy to recognize. Ship type space station. If you're confused on what to name it or what constants to use, just scroll up and you can see the definitions of the constants. The rest of create ship is self-explanatory. As you can see at the bottom, it says AI type, type of ship, XYZ coordinate, rotation, scale. The very last one is created by. This is for bullets, but I don't have a good bullet handler, so that's to be implemented yet. That way they don't collide with your own ship right after you shoot them, that kind of thing. Alright, so let's test this. Oh, yeah, everything should be done. Let's look around, let's make sure we know where I'm putting that. So it's already going to be 200 units above the player. So should be compiled and ran. I'm going to move my ship around and look up and see if something's heading straight up. Move around. Looks like one is rotating just like it should and the other is heading straight up. Yep, that's going straight up on the y-axis. So as you can see, it works perfectly. The other space station that you see is just rotating in a randomly chosen direction. That's the function I skipped down to copy and paste an AI function. I'll go over that function later, but as you can tell, everything's running perfectly, and it only takes a few lines of code to add a new type of ship to your game engine if you use this type of engine.